AirPods Pro 3 as hearing aids on Android, an overview. Can you use AirPods Pro 3 as hearing aids on Android? Yes, but with caveats. AirPods Pro 3 aren't officially certified hearing aids and lack features like binaural synchronization found in true MFI hearing aids. However, enhanced features like improved noise cancellation and transparency mode, combined with accessibility apps, make them a viable option for mild hearing impairment. Apple's native hearing aid mode, Live Listen, remains iOS exclusive. Third-party apps bridge this gap, streaming amplified audio to AirPods via Bluetooth. Remember, consult a hearing specialist and consider FDA-compliant apps. First, pair your AirPods Pro 3 with your Android device through Bluetooth settings. This enables basic audio connection, though you may experience some latency issues. Download accessibility apps from Google Play. Options include Google's Sound Amplifier for Android 12 and up, Bluetooth hearing aid for basic streaming, and HearBoost, which uses AI for personalized sound amplification. These apps leverage your phone's microphone to capture environmental sounds, then amplify and stream them to your AirPods Pro 3 for clearer hearing. Calibrate the app using built-in tests to adjust amplification settings based on your specific hearing profile. Be aware of limitations, including potential audio feedback, battery drain of about 6 hours when active noise cancellation is on, and that these are not medical devices. They work best for mild hearing loss.